I wish I had a bidet here. I'm such a huge fan of bidets that I've decided to upgrade my fourth bathroom with bidet. Let me introduce to you the Hebent cold water bidet. So straight out of the box, you have everything you need to install the bidet. Instructions manual, don't worry, I'm gonna walk you guys through it. You got 4 additional washers, the T-valve with a washer on one end, and then this is the hose, and here's the cold water bidet. Keep in mind that it's non-electric and it doesn't have warm water, so it just uses simple cold water from the house. All right, very nice buttons right here, but don't worry, we're gonna go through all that. Yay, I'm ready for the installation for today's bidet installation project. You're gonna need a couple of tools, a bucket or pail, optional plumber's tape, a wrench, and a Phillips head screwdriver. My first step is to turn off the main water supply. Turn it sideways. Next, I'm gonna flush the toilet and hold it down until all the water is drained out. Next step is to remove the toilet seat cover, but in order to do that, you have to loosen these 2 plastic screws, which is held on by these plastic nuts. So you simply hold down one end and unscrew it down here. Very simple. Now I'm going to simply remove the toilet seat cover, and now it's a good idea to wipe down the toilet. Now I'm going to install the bidet attachment, lining it up with the hose. Now I'm going to reinstall the old toilet seat cover, putting it through the hose, lining it up so that it looks centered. Hey, that looks beautiful right there. Now I'm going to tighten the plastic bolts with these nuts. So as you can see, it looks pretty much flush. So in the event that your toilet seat has an angle or opening to it, that's when you would use these washers to place on the bidet attachment to get that flushness. Alright, next I'm going to loosen the hose. This is where that pail will come in handy because the water is going to drain out of the toilet and you don't want to get your floor wet. Okay. And next I'm going to replace this with the T-valve, but it's preferred to use some plumber's tape on the threads. I've applied the plumber's tape in a clockwise orientation. And note, make sure there's a washer in the T-valve. And I'm going to carefully install the T-valve. Make sure it's lined up. You don't want to force it because it might damage the thread. So carefully line it up, tighten it. Now I'm going to attach the bidet hose to this outlet right here. And with the other end of the hose, I'm going to attach it to the bottom of the bidet. This is the cold water hose. And lastly, I also put some plumber's tape right here and connect the water hose from the house. Make sure everything is tight. And when it's time to turn the water back on, if there are any leaks, just simply tighten it with a wrench. Okay, I tighten everything, no leaks. No leaks. Everything looks good. Alright, here is what it looks like. Installation was simple. So let me walk you through the controls right here. You have water pressure control, all right, from low to high. And then right here you have nozzle selection. When it's pointing forward is to wash it behind. Now if you turn it to the left, rotate to the left, that's self-cleaning nozzle, and rotate to the right is more like feminine hygiene, like if you want to for women clean their private spot or men to wash their their privates. Let's go ahead and put it to the test. So let me just go ahead and lift up on here so you guys can see the full features of it. Now I'm going to slowly increase the pressure. First I want to show you guys, see that? That's the head. See how it's hidden behind this cover? Alright, okay, there it is, perfect timing. See, this is just low. So imagine if you go to high pressure, This is how strong it is, okay? All right, so keep in mind that's washing a behind, all right? So let's say I'm gonna turn to medium. I'm gonna switch it to self-cleaning. Self-cleaning right there, okay? See? So it's washing itself. You don't have to do the cleaning, weekly cleaning or monthly cleaning, whatever you do. All right, now I'm gonna gently switch it, rotate to the right. That's for the front. It's gonna adjust, change the nozzle. Okay, see it switches over to the other nozzle. That's to wash the front. Okay, so you have pretty much everything covered. Oh, it looks like this rotates all the way around. All right, and if you wanted to stop, just simply adjust the pressure to nothing. See, look at how useful that is. And that's the basic features of a bidet. Trust me guys, once you go bidet, you will never turn back. First of all, you will end up using less toilet paper because you're going to feel a lot more refreshing as if you just took a shower. And this is my 4th bidet and I'm totally sold. So if you are in the market for a cold water, easy to install bidet attachment, definitely give the Hibense brand a look. Stay fresh and clean.